Okay, here's a piece of watermelon. It's frozen, it's been outside, and it's kind of cold out. So, I'm going to microwave it with my experiment microwave for 20 minutes. I'm gonna see what happens to it. I think it's gonna become a big pile of mush, but it may also dry out like a piece of wood does. If you put a piece of wood in here, it'll come out feeling like a sponge, super light. So, let's see. Okay, I'll check back with this in 20 minutes, but probably after 10, just to see halfway. Okay, after 20 minutes, it really wasn't that much. So, it was in here 1 hour. That is 1 hour. What happens to one? Yeah, that's steam. That's not going to go away because it's really hot. Hey, it is mushy. It is mushy. It would have been mushier if I left it in for longer, but I'm not going to use that much power. It's actually very hot right now. See, it's mushy. That was frozen when I put it in here. See, underneath, really mushy. Yeah, look at that. And it smells, it smells really rotten too. Well, I'm just gonna leave this outside. It'll decompose, or I guess maybe something might eat it. That mess is not from this. That wasn't from the watermelon, the mess you're seeing now. That is because in my other video, I microwaved a piece of lumber, and that nastiness came out of it.